hello everybody. How y'all doing? Are you here okay? In your neck of the woods? What up? What up? Manners and respect. Are your girl Debbie from Dongayad, man? You hear my voice, croaky? Welcome you all, my new subscribers. You know your names. I'm gonna do a list. I'm gonna make a list because I want to give you all some shout outs. But in my next video, I'm going to do just that. Thank you all. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the Jamaican cooking journey. The Jamaican cooking journey. Not a show. This is not a show. This is a real life thing inside my humble little Jamaican kitchen. Welcome you all. Thank you for making it West Indian Delights. My look way back when subscribers. Nah, take away nothing from you. Welcome, manners and respect. Big up on yourself. Boop. Yeah. Now today is Thursday and it is Ben Johnson Day. I want you all to go and Google Ben Johnson Day and you see what it says. Ben Johnson Day is always the day before payday in Jamaica, the Thursday before Friday. And from a little girl growing up, you know, me always when Ben Johnson Day, you know, say, I don't know, big dinner. I just some little scraping and some little something. Now, most of the time, my mother always do seasoned rice. Honestly, family, as a little girl growing up, me eat it so much kind of meat now in it. But now, as a grown woman with a family and responsibilities, I get for like the seasoned rice, took it, put my own little twist to it. So I want to demonstrate you. I want to bring you all on my Ben Johnson Day dinner, which is my seasoned rice. Yeah, man, from West Indian Delights. Okay? Let's get rolling, honey. Yeah, inside my Dutch pot here, I have 4 cups coconut milk. Yeah, it has been eaten. I have a little diced up carrot. Go and put it in. And I'm gonna notch up my flame. On family, I'm supposed to have some tomato, but I'm not gonna lie, cause you know Debbie don't yard, you know, in the lighting. I'm truthful. See, I'm gonna put in you all 1 full stick. This is half a stick of butter, yeah. And the tomato, no family, I can't manage it. I cannot manage the price of it. I gotta wait, so I'm just using something else, you all. Right? I have some green thyme and I'm gonna put in about this. Right? Come remember, we don't have to measure time, so I'm gonna get it rinsed and I'm gonna put it in. Yeah, man. I have some, you know my thing already. I have some a few stocks of scallion, because scallion and them stuff, the herbs, really expensive now. Because we had a large rain the other day. We have a beach. Some holy rain the other day and them said the crop them messed up. So we just have to work with it, okay? So we just have to work with where we get. We're putting in some, maybe beat up some scallion. Because you know my thing already, you're on the journey with me. I put in some scallion. I have an onion here. I go rough chop it. Family, when things bad, you know, but I don't need up. I just go rough chop it. Like this. Knife look like it does. So we are rough chop it in there. Because we want to taste the clave onion as we go along. Because I say no meat no there, you know. You know, Ben Johnson there, something. And all of you out there, you know. Anywhere you're there over the world. Once you're original, old time, long time, article Jamaican, you know this seasoned rice. I have some saltfish when I soak. Yeah, this is always in it. Saltfish. So we're putting it in. Alright, this is about a little under half a pound of saltfish. But I'm going to do my best to link, you know, as much as possible. Alright. I'm putting in my saltfish in there. Remember, I'm putting in some, you have to put in some black pepper to taste, family. Yeah, okay. I have a pack of Maggi soup it up, and this is the pumpkin mix, you know. One with pumpkin in there. Forget a little gig. No, this one here, this a knife here go on bad man. Family need a knife here rough. Let me get myself a decent knife. Alright? So we're gonna put in we pack a Maggi soup it up. Pumpkin mix. Remember I tell you that because we want some color to this thing. Alright. Give them a shot. Get right in. We ain't gonna put any salt. We use the butter and we use the pumpkin mix, the Maggi soup pumpkin mix, which has in some seasoning and salt is in there. So we're not going to put in any form of salt right about now. Okay? So what I'm at this point, I'm gonna taste for perfection. Get right in. You said look? Yep. It's supposed to have this little yellow color when it's finished. That's how it seasons, right? It's supposed to have that little yellow color. Wow. Wow. Alright now. We have here about 1.25 pounds rice. Pick regular rice, wash and all of that. So I'm going to scoop it right in. And remember I showed you on one of my previous videos, I think it was the Sunday dinner, one of those videos, how to judge your rice. Right? So I'm scooping in my rice and you're going to stir. Right? So look at it. Look at it. Not putting in, because the saltfish was pre-soaked, so we're not putting no salt. We don't want no salt in this thing here. Alright? Remember, judgment of the spoon. Right? We not think we want the water, because this rice is supposed to come out a little on the shelly side, seasoned rice. Give them a shot inside of my pot. Ben Johnson there, look here. You don't forget this. Your scotch bonnet pepper. This is the topping and the cake, or this is the watchman. So you put it in but you don't burst it. It's gonna start, you're gonna flavor it up. Let's hope it don't burst, because if it bursts, it's not a problem in it, just for people who can manage the spicy thing. But that is going to give it the flavor. Now family, this is the color for the seasoned rice we have. It's when it come out, it's supposed to be yellow. We have some hot water here. Wow. Family, please. You see what happened? So we're going to put in about 1/8 of a cup of water. Hot water. Not water where cool for thing. We're going to do that. And at this point, we're going to do one last thing. We're going to taste for perfection of salt and for flavor. So here we go. Careful. Wow, we don't want a salt, family. Look at this. Coconut milk. No water we not using up. We substituted coconut milk for the water. So now at this point, give them a one last shot. Give them a shot. Yeah. We're gonna cover down. We're gonna turn our flame down to about medium or a little less than medium. And remember, please to use a heavy bottom Dutch pot or a skillet or something. And just let it take time and just simmer right down. And sieve right down. Family, when we come back, you're gonna see how we rice finish up. We go stir it up. You know what? Flip it up and look at it. You see with Ben Johnson there, dinner, how it look. And of course, you know I'm gonna eat, me not taste some, me I eat some for y'all, because a long time me not do this. Yeah man, stick and stay. Debbie from down a yard same way. When we come back, you'll see it. Yeah man, family, we are back. And I'm gonna give you a shot of my pot. From I left it, but don't come back. So I'm opening it now for y'all. Right up. So we watch man with scotch bonnet. Nice like that it come out whole. So we not have to worry. Alright? All the flavor just get right out. And family, honestly, maybe we should not be dire. For see or for smell the flavor as me lift the pot, there goes the scotch bonnet pepper. The flavor coming out of the pot. So you know, as usual, I always tell you, try to get rid of the little herbs them. Yeah. And you always try to stir up this with a fork. From the bottom up. Yeah, see it here, family. It's ready. It is ready. And I'm going to want to show you something. You can get in, get in. I tell you, see if you can get in, mommy. To use a heavy bottom skillet. You see this here? We call it the bun of Jamaica, where it catch to the pot. It's nice. If the pot bottom is not heavier, so on the sides heavy and thick, you won't get it like this. You get in on it? Yeah man. Right here, so we call it the bun down here. Yeah man. So now, We're going to turn off the flame because we season rice ready like that. Yeah, family. Season rice, man. And we get out with herbs. Yep. Right away, we're going to taste because, family, anywhere you are viewing this video, from your look on this, you know this smell of the coconut milk. So we're going to taste y'all. I may put my fork in my mouth, but I'm not going to put back this fork in the pot. And you know Debbie down a yard know better than that. Wow. Mama. It's family. Just try it. So, as me tell you, you search for your herbs. So we are going to write in. You see my little saltfish. You see my onion. Chunk of onion, yeah, so we want it. Yep. Yep. Nice. Family, if you ever smell the aroma when I come out of my pot with my seasoned rice, Ben Johnson Day dinner. Yeah, man. And there you have it. Seasoned rice, Ben Johnson Day dinner from Jamaica. Yeah, man. Enjoy. See? And right about now, me I go eat little. Because it hot enough, family, because the coconut milk inside of it, get that something there. But listen to me now. I want to know. Yo. And then hotter it is, the nicer, but you have to be careful. Give them another shot. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. I'll thank you and I'll be grateful. And remember, when you subscribe, remember to turn on your notification. Share this video and others with your friends. Yeah, man. Right? Those who are authentic, old-time, long-time Jamaican who know the ropes of the Ben Johnson Day thing. And if you remember the seasoned rice this year, say something in the comments below, man. Yeah, once more from my kitchen to yours. Ben Johnson Day seasoned rice from Jamaica. Debbie down a yard. Yeah, man. Boop.